A very good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the benefit of asana in prevention of various type of disease. Now, today we will be discussing one problem, that is one kind of disease, that is obesity. Obesity Hindi version is motapa, deposition of extra fat in the body. ओबेस हो जाना, मोटा हो जाना, अपनी हाइट से ज़्यादा वजन हो जाना, उसको बोलते हैं ओबेसिटी. नाउ डेफिनेशन ऑफ ओबेसिटी इज दैट कंडीशन ऑफ बॉडी इन विच द अमाउंट ऑफ फैट इंक्रीजेस टू एक्सट्रीम लेवल. मोर डिपोजिशन ऑफ फैट विल बी देयर and this fat deposition will be more wherever the big muscles are there, like abdomen, around your hip joint, your gluteus muscle, their thighs, your chest around, more deposition of fat will be there. Another description of obesity, the condition when an individual weighs 20% more than the ideal weight. If your ideal weight supposed to be 80 and you are having 20% extra weight, then you are called obese. Third clarification of obesity, if an adult BMI more than the equal of 30, then ideal BMI is usually considered to be obese. Means what should be your BMI, that is body mass index, usually what it's supposed to be, and it is 30 around, BMI comes 30, then individual is considered to be obese. The obesity of body weight of individual is always more than the comparison of height. According to your height, your weight supposed to be. Not only height, according to height, according to age, what weights you supposed to carry, more than that weight is called obese. Now, this because of obesity, many health risks are there, like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease related with the heart and all, lungs, cancer, arthritis means आपके जोड़ों में दर्द होना, osteoarthritis, that is osteoporosis related to the weakness of bone, flat foot and respiratory problem. These problems may cause because of obesity. Now, how we can find out ourselves that you are obese? How to calculate BMI? BMI is body mass index. What is your total weight? Suppose you are 70 kg weight in kg, and height into height. Suppose your height is 180 centimeter. 180 means converted into meter. 1.80 meter into 1.80 meter. Now whatever result comes, that suppose it is coming 30 or 29. Now where 29 fall in the BMI table? See, category is given here. If your BMI comes 18.5 and below, then you are underweight. If your BMI comes 18.5 to 24.9, then you are having normal weight category. Then your BMI comes 25 to 29.9, you are overweight. And if your this BMI falls 30 or more, you are in obese category. And once you are in obese category, that is called extra deposition of fat, or carrying 20% excess fat in your body, or obese is that condition that your fat increases to extreme level, that is obesity condition. See, in our hostel, one student Parth, he is in obese condition. He is carrying more extreme obese. He is falling in third category, that is 40 and above. Obesity classes are given: class 1, class 2, class 3. He is in third category of obesity. His height is very less and his weight is more than 96. During that stay we have controlled even around 10 kg. So to avoid obesity, and because of obesity these many diseases are you are likely to suffer, so maintain your body weight. Now we will be discussing some or the other problem because of obesity, like diabetes, it is in your syllabus, hypertension in your syllabus, then back pain is out of syllabus, you can cut it, asthma, that is related to the respiratory problem, that is also in your syllabus. So one by one we will be discussing. Tomorrow we will be discussing one of the problem related to obesity, that is diabetes. So today's lecture is over here, and to cure the diabetes, which are those yogic asanas are suggested, that we will be discussing tomorrow. Thank you. Have a healthy day.